Python error handling. Why are exceptions so critical? Imagine trying to cook a new recipe without a recipe book or instructions. If something goes wrong, you might end up with a mess or an unusable dish. Programming is similar. When you write code, unexpected things can happen. That's where exceptions come into play. They are like safety nets that catch errors before they cause your entire program to crash. In Python, exceptions are objects that representing errors that happen during program execution. When an error occurs, Python raises an exception. If you don't handle these exceptions, your program stops running suddenly. That's frustrating for users and makes debugging harder. Exception handling lets you tell Python what to do when something goes wrong. You can catch the error using try and except blocks. This way, your program can respond gracefully, maybe by showing a friendly message or asking for new input. Exceptions are different from syntax errors. Syntax errors happen when your code is written incorrectly and Python can't understand it. Exceptions happen during runtime, even if your code is correct. For example, trying to open a file that doesn't exist or dividing by 0 will raise exceptions. Without handling these, your program will just stop. But with exception handling, you can prevent that. You can catch the error and decide what to do next. Maybe ask the user to try again, or use a default value. Handling exceptions makes your programs more reliable. Imagine a program that processes user data. If the user enters invalid data, you can raise a specific exception like value error. Then, you can catch that exception and ask the user to correct their input. This keeps your program running smoothly and avoids losing data or crashing unexpectedly. Python also has a hierarchy of built-in exceptions, so you can catch broad categories of errors or specific ones. You can even create your own custom exceptions to fit your application's needs. In real-world applications, error handling is essential. Whether it's dealing with network issues, file access problems, or user mistakes, exceptions help your program recover and continue working. They give you control over what happens when things go wrong. This makes your software more user-friendly and less prone to crashes. So, in simple words, exceptions are critical because they let you detect errors early, respond to them appropriately, and keep your program running smoothly. They help you write cleaner, more organized code and make debugging easier. Teaching how to handle exceptions properly is key to becoming a confident Python programmer. It's like having a safety plan for your code that keeps everything running even when surprises pop up.